What's up, guys? Welcome back to my video. On this video I'm gonna talk about my car, have some details about all the modification that I did on the car, from turbo to all that I did on the engine and the suspension, all that. And we're gonna install the clutch line because mine is leaking, so we're gonna do that one. And then at the end we're gonna talk about the 6-week challenge that I'm gonna do. And here we go. So this is my 92 Honda Civic hatchback. I got this car in 2015. It was red, this car, and I have it painted before I put the engine in. I got the engine, my engine is a B16A, so it's a JDM B16. And this car, when I got it, when I put the engine, it had so many trouble. It was giving me some misfire. And I put the engine, I got it on the dyno, and we got it on the dyno, it started misfiring. So we started looking for the problem and all that, and then we found out the head, it was cracked. Yep. And it's been like a cloud, you know, like a cloud in my head at the beginning. But then when I got everything fixed, I bought a new head and everything, we put it on. We had it dyno again, and I put in the dyno, and it pushed 314 horsepower. This car has a some work on the head. I put some Crower spring. The bottom is stock. The bottom is stock on this car. When I did it, I wanted like a daily but with boost. So I decided to put the turbo on. But this is my daily. This is my daily, my everyday car. I drive this car every day, so I didn't want to put so much, you know, modification on the engine. So bottom, the block is stock. I don't have no piston. Wow. It's just a regular piston, and I've been driving since 2015, and we're in 2019, and still pushing power, and I like it. It's fun. It's fun to drive. Suspension is from Jonaka. It has a 70 turbo with BWR manifold. So I installed the Skunk 2 Pro Series. It's black, and then we got a cash can too that I put in. It's in the back of the engine of the block. A breather for the oil, and I'm running E85 too. So that's my my fuel. I think it's better. It burns more clean, and I never had a problem with that either. And then for that, I run this line right here. Fuel rails from VMS Racing. Got a 1000cc injectors. I put in a competition clutch stage 4 on this car, and I never had a problem with that. It has 15 pound of boost. Got a boost controller on it. It's boost by gear too, and it's reliable. Today we're gonna fix the problem here. The brake line is leaking around here. I don't know if you can see it, guys. It's leaking around here. So I said, you know what? Why we don't put like a braided line? You know, it's better instead of putting all that, and we can tuck the line. And so for that, you have to take out that bolt, and I believe it's a 10mm to take out that line, and then from there it goes all the way down over here to the transmission. And then we have to take out that right there, the 10mm line too. We have to take that one out. So for this, you only need a 10mm wrench, a 14mm wrench, and a 7/16 wrench to take out those lines. To take out the lines, only the 10, and then to put it on is the 14, and 7/16 is to put this line right here. So let's go, let's install this. Okay, so first we have to take this 10mm. Have the line out, and then now you have to take out this line, the bolt from the bracket line. They're right here, those two bolts, one over there and one on the other side. And then you can take the master, the clutch master's line. Line out, and now we're gonna put this one on the master, on the clutch master cylinder. Put that one there. One is in, and then on that fitting right there, we're gonna put the line right here. It goes to the slave cylinder on this one right here, the top. So that one goes there. Okay, so when you got everything tight, then we go ahead and put the line here. Here you got it. Line goes all the way down over there, firewall, and then goes straight to the clutch master cylinder right there. And that's it. That's the only thing you have to do. Simple step and easy fix. Okay, so the 6-week challenge is not a diet. It's how you can eat better and stop eating and drinking things that are bad for you. So at the gym, we're doing this challenge for 6 weeks, and we're gonna try to eat better, stop the soda, stop the bread, and you know, I don't want to call it a diet. I want to call it like a lifestyle, like they told us at the gym. And I'm gonna try for 6 weeks because I feel I can do better. I'm in a level that I'm stuck and I don't see no difference. And I know I can do better by eating better. And I'm gonna try and I'm gonna stop all the soda, all the bread, all the things that, you know, they're not good for your body. Another thing that they talk to us is about doing this. It helps with your health. If you have problems sleeping or if you're tired all the time, this gonna help all that, because you're not gonna eat those food that are bad for you. So I'm gonna try this challenge, and the things that you cannot eat is, remember, bread, potato, you cannot drink soda, and all the sugar that you like, you need to stop that to do this challenge. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. If you want to do it too, just for doing it, and you don't have to go to the gym to do this, you can do it too and try it. Maybe it help things that, you know, in your life. This challenge, I'm gonna eat breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, and dinner. This is how it's gonna be the 6-week challenge. I'm gonna do this for 6 weeks, and if I like it and I see improvement, maybe I keep doing it. This is all that I got for this video. I hope you like it, and remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed, and don't forget to share and give a thumbs up, please. See ya.